Safegard septic tanks, an advanced solution for safe sanitation. Supreme is pioneer in introducing the most useful and advanced ready-made septic tanks in the country. These innovative septic tanks in plastics are introduced under the brand name Safegard. Supreme Safegard septic tanks are designed to provide a better substitute to existing conventional brick and concrete septic tanks or the tanks made from hewn pipes. Unlike conventional tanks, Safegard tanks are free from multiple problems like concrete corrosion, leakages, cumbersome and time-consuming construction, repeated maintenance and short, as well as uncertain lifespan. Many outstanding features offered by the Supreme Safegard septic tanks are: rotationally molded, one-piece seamless construction, unique design, much more efficient than conventionally built septic tanks, great strength, rib structure design provides superior structural strength and stability, excellent chemical resistance, absolutely safe against ill effects of hydrogen sulfide, H2S, hygienic and safe, 100% watertight structure prevents soil and water pollution, free from corrosion and subsequent infiltration and exfiltration, no root penetration. Ready to install, pre-plumbed set facilitates simple and quick installation. Minimum space and maintenance requirement. Can be easily relocated. Long life, minimum expected life of 50 years. Eco-friendly, made from recyclable plastic, saves energy. Product range. Safegard septic tanks are offered in 1,000 to 29,500 liters capacities. Tanks up to 3,000 liters have vertical design, whereas 5,500 liters and above capacities have modular design. Different modular units can be connected with each other for increased capacities, up to 29,500 liters or more. Components of Safegard septic tanks: vertical design, modular design, size selection. Generally, the required capacity of septic tank for 4 to 5 people is 1,000 liters. For size selection, please refer to the following charts. Working mechanism. Cleaning frequency. Safegard septic tanks should be cleaned after every 5 years or before it gets filled. The cleaning can be easily carried out by the municipal or any vacuum tanker. Installation. Installation has the major influence over the performance of the underground products like septic tanks. Hence, it is advised to follow the standard installation procedure given in the product user guides or installation videos. Conclusion. Supreme's revolutionary Safegard septic tanks overcome all the difficulties associated with conventional septic tanks and offer multiple benefits. This innovative product has the potential to change the face of sanitation, construction and environment, and will certainly help to uplift the standard of sanitation scenario in the country. Let us promote hygiene and be a part of clean and green India. Thank you.